Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO band, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this Smartband from the iPhone. First, we need to open the HeyTap Health application on our iPhone. In the application, let's tap on the Manage icon. Here you should see the device page for your OPPO band. Now scroll down, tap on the About device. Here tap on Unpair, then tap on Unpair to confirm. The device should disappear from the Manage page. Now close the app and open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So let's open the settings, Bluetooth. Now find the OPPO band on the list of devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, then tap on Forget this device, then tap on Forget device to confirm. And once the OPPO band disappears from the list of devices connected to your iPhone, you can close the settings. And at this point, the band is unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.